It's the quiet you notice as Joseph and Kathy Molinari take a winter stroll. It's been quiet for some time since Joe lost his voice.
I'm so grateful for them.
Not long ago, Joe was fighting something unseen.
His swollen mouth was the first indication that something was wrong.
There were so many doctors. A few thought it was an abscess, but no one could offer them the expertise they needed until they found themselves at the Brownstone Clinic. Images would reveal something much worse than an abscess.
The tumor that he had is called an ameloblastoma. Ameloblastomas are tumors that begin in your jaw, and they can even extend farther up to the floor of the orbit and involve the eye.
Very scary. We were very nervous.
It had likely been growing for years. Dr. Robert Piorkowski would lead the surgery, but he was part of a tremendous team of specialists. The surgery was intense, several hours, and once complete, the tumor was gone.
I had part of my palate removed, and for speech, you have to be able to maintain a vacuum.
We knew we needed the implants.
That's when Peter Pasciucco would come in.
And they were placed in our clinic by the oral surgery residents under the guidance of one of the local oral surgeons who volunteers their time here.
The team was able to create a specialized prosthetic upper palate. Joseph would find his voice.
66.
66.
Yeah, much clearer. Say hello.
Hello.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you from the bottom of my heart.
When a patient like Joe comes in, he smiles, it makes this job the best job in the world.